Things Conference used to be the LoRaWAN event of choice. Now it is for all of IoT. Why do they care so much about security? Get to the bottom of it. I've crammed two CEOs in the room with me today. Vinka of the Things Industries and Window from Thistle. All right, first question. Vinka, the Things Conference has previously been an industry event that I've seen as dedicated to LoRaWAN, right? And this year your scope has widened to include anything IoT. Now I'm reading we're expecting to hear more about Edge, IoT, LoRaWAN, cellular IoT, AI, energy harvesting, and single board computers. Why is this?
Yeah, so we started the Things Conference in 2018 as a side project. So we have our business, a global business in LoRaWAN solutions. And we wanted to create an event that we wanted to go ourselves to. So an event for developers, stories about technologies, but also what works and what doesn't. So both successes and failures. And that's why we created the Things Conference. That side project got completely out of hand. And every year we had 1,500 people from all around the world there, initially focused on LoRaWAN, but all these people we found out, if they build a LoRaWAN solution, they need security, and they need a cellular backhaul, they need a cloud, they need an IoT platform. So we said, let's just open up this event and kind of like invite many other players in the cellular IoT industry, Z-Wave, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and now in a few weeks we have kind of this massive IoT event where any developer and any systems integrator can learn in 2 days everything about what's currently happening in the IoT industry.
I'm very excited. You've got some great talks going on, and I believe you've got some big companies attending soon as well. Word on the street is that security is a big theme this year, and now some might say it's not the most interesting topic. So what's the importance of security this year?
Yeah, security is the foundation of IoT, right? Like IoT in essence is bringing small pieces of data from the edge into the cloud, or controlling systems on the edge through activity that you have in the cloud, and kind of making sure that when the data goes from A to B, that's secure, that is at the core of everything IoT. And this year specifically relevant where in Europe the Cyber Resilience Act is introduced in 26 and 27, and this will put additional pressure on IoT solution makers to do the right thing. Let's say that I know that at least 70% of the companies that we know they have things, they have this kind of managed, but definitely for them it's also really important that they know they have, and for the other 30% it's that they know they have to up their game.
Cool. Now, Window, is that Window CEO of Thistle Technologies? You're a company that builds security tools. I shouldn't have said what I said about security not being important a matter of 30 seconds ago. But whilst you're here, can I get your take on the current state of security at the edge?
Absolutely. There are a lot of things driving, let's say, renewed interest in security for devices right now. And as Vicky mentioned, absolutely, the Cyber Resiliency Act is one of those things that's causing folks to realize they've got a lot of work to do in some cases, in quite a lot of the cases. But in addition to that, there's also, in addition to that, there's also been a number of visible compromises and attacks on devices. So that's making it more and more apparent that this is an area that has been targeted, that will continue to be targeted, and so there's work that remains to be done. And then additionally, because there's been such a huge investment in AI at the edge, there's a corresponding requirement to secure that huge investment for those models. So trying to figure out how to protect all that work, all that investment, has been another reason that folks are investing in security for devices.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, we're hearing so much about CRA at the moment. Now, we've got over 100 exhibitors attending, not exhibitors, 100 speakers attending the Things Conference. There's so much to learn, but I will be attending your talk at the Things Conference. Can you give me a little bit of behind the scenes? What are you going to be discussing?
Absolutely. Well, but in addition to this, not just what is the problem, why do we need to pay attention, but additionally how to actually to do this work, right? Because this is a conference for the doers, right? These are developers. These are the folks who actually have to do this work. So how can we make it easy? This has traditionally been a space that has been so complex and very expensive to implement. If you even have the right skill set in the organization, right, you might not have that hardware security engineer on the team. And so how do you get that work done if you know, and still get your product out to market, right? It's something that's been traditionally a huge investment. How can we make it easy for developers to get that work done quickly?
Mm-hmm. Vinka, Things Conference is coming up very quickly. What do you say to the people that haven't got their tickets just yet?
Be fast. We're selling out. It's in 23 and 24 of September. It's the best excuse to come to Amsterdam that you ever had. And it's going to be a lot of fun. So we're beside like 200 sessions, 150 speakers. Let's say, I believe we're around 40 workshops, all these different topics like Edge AI, LoRaWAN, cellular IoT, etc. And we're going to throw the biggest IoT party in the world where we'll have 500 people. And we even have like 2 sponsors that are providing the drinks for free. So get over to Amsterdam, 23 and 24 September.